Are you guys ready to see what I cooked up for you today? Take a look at this delicious fried cauliflower rice with chicken and mushrooms. And these are all the ingredients that you will need to make it as well. So go ahead and get everything pre-measured so that we can make this delicious fried rice together. And don't forget 1 beaten egg. And here are the ingredients pre-measured. And just please take note of the fact that the cauliflower rice I refrigerated for a few hours because I did not want to fry warm rice because that would make it too mushy. So come on over to the stove and let's get to cooking. And we're going to start with cooking the chicken as well as the vegetables. I put a little bit of olive oil into the pan for the chicken, and the chicken has been seasoned with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Now as for the vegetables, I started with the mushrooms. I did not yet put any oil into the pan because the mushrooms are going to release some liquid. About 10 minutes or so later, this chicken was ready to be turned. And I continue to give those mushrooms a stir just to make sure that they don't stick. And now at this point, I felt that it needed a little bit of olive oil. Put that in and I gave it another stir. And I'm also preparing to put in the other vegetables. And these are the onions. And I think I used about 2 tablespoons of onions, but again, you use what you like for your taste. And now I added about 2 cloves of minced garlic. And I really wanted to well season these vegetables because this is what is going to flavor the cauliflower rice. And I keep stirring these until the onions and the garlic are translucent. All right, now these are ready. And now it's time to fry up the cauliflower rice. And I put a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan because it can withstand a higher heat. And I poured in the cold cauliflower rice. And I'm going to tell you guys, when this cold cauliflower rice hit that hot oil, it started to pop like popcorn. So in a second, you will see me get a screen to protect myself and to protect my kitchen. And there it is. Because again, this stuff was popping all over the place, and you can probably see it as well. And I just kept moving it around just so it could heat and also start to brown. Okay, now it's time to add in the vegetables. And mix that in well. And I follow up with the diced chicken. So you didn't see me do this on camera, but after it was cooked, I cut it into bite-sized pieces. And you guys, this was smelling so amazing. And while I continue to stir this, please take note of the fact that the cauliflower rice I purchased from Thrive Market. Now I push this aside so that I can get ready to scramble an egg. So first I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil to the pan. And there's the egg. And continue to stir that around until the egg is cooked. And then you'll see me chop it into smaller pieces so that I can incorporate that into the rice. And now mix that egg in with the rice. And guys, we are almost finished with this meal. And now for the soy sauce. And I think I started off with about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. I mixed that in and I gave it a little taste test. And of course, if you need more, then that's exactly what you do. You add more. But this flavors it well and it also browns it up very well. And there you have it. This delicious cauliflower fried rice with chicken and mushrooms that is now ready to serve. This was quick, easy, and oh so delicious. And this is going to become a part of my go-to meals. So guys, please do give it a try. Let me know in the comments just how much you love it. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And please do subscribe to my channel. And I am going to continue finding recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Bon appetit. Enjoy, you guys.